south, down to my brother's house. They got their boats and stuff all packed, and then I'm gonna west wind, Lake Leelanau, South Lake Leelanau. This used to be called Geiger's Resort, and then it went to west wind. Now it's actually, these little cabins are owned privately. Each cabin is owned by another person, and they rent them out when they're not using them. So that's basically what we're doing here. Really nice dock here. They got a seawall so that it protects your boat. The only downside is really shallow over there, so you need to have a power tilt and trim. What are we gonna fish for now? Fish?
Whatever bites, man.
Okay, now bring him up.
He has something to say about that.
Didn't take you long. He's under the boat again. Dave loves to put them under the boat. He lets them hit their heads on the bottom. Shit, that's a good one. You just had to outdo Andy, didn't you?
Hey, don't mess around, man.
Now that, my friends,
I told you I had to
that thing ain't fit to eat, but he's big.
He's wonderful to eat.
Oh yeah, look how big it is. I see about 100 fish tacos right there. Look at the size of that monster. Hold him up there for me. No, I mean stick him out over my face. Wow. And he caught that on a 29-cent bait. We've been out here about an hour. No bites.
Actually, I had a couple bites.
We're changing baits.
I had a couple bites.
He had a little nibble. He said it was a weed bite.
Holy you fucker. I think he's big enough.
What?
What?
I don't know. You have to measure him.
Have to be 14, don't they?
Yeah, they have to be 14.
Got it.
Watch your feet. Get a little action shot there. They always give you more action on the ground.
Don't forget to get your bait. Always worrying back. There you go, Bubba. It's fish.
23-inch, yo. Come here. Dinner.
Big enough.
Dinner.
Well, he's big enough.
Oh well.
Oh well.
He's happy though.
That was special.
What'd you do?
He unhooked himself.
Oh, I thought you got tangled up. Do him again. This isn't my normal camera, but it'll do. I picked up the wrong one when I walked out the door. You don't need a net, do you?
No.
I didn't think so.
Oh, no, he's big enough to keep.
Make him jump. Oh, he's bigger than you think he is. That's a keeper.
You think?
I think you're gonna get him tangled up on my pole.
I didn't know you had line on it. Yeah, he's fighting like a son of a bitch now.
Bring him over here.
Got him most of the way to
Oh, he is real big, but he's.
most of the way to go.
I think he might be bigger than the first one you caught. Damn, Dave, when are you gonna catch a fish? Oh shit, we're tangled up. Wait a minute.
Two. There you go. Not two.
I don't want
He
to.
fucking.
Thinking about it. just south of the Narrows. Now we're looking down there like lake towards Cedar.
We fished that place down there you told me about. We caught a couple little ones. I caught a smallie about that big. Couple hits, but nothing. Yep. Yep.
That end. Last night Dave and I were out there and got poured on. Jim and Andy were out there and they didn't get hardly wet at all. So what did you catch him on?
Is that black twister tail? I got all that shit out when I call them out. Call them out, then I play with them. Give them away, whatever this deal.
I'm normally not the one calling them out.
You ain't start dragging how to do that yet?
Honestly, I can do as good as one of these. I'm gonna win it.
Oh, I'm not worth that shit with that thing. I like this knife.